Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to delete custom domain from Base44. The first thing I want you to do is go to your workspace settings, and here under the domain section, if you don't have a domain yet, you can click on add domain, go ahead and add it, and once it has been added successfully and you have it verified, right, you just click on verify domain. Then to delete the domain, it's very easy. You just come back to the same section here under workspace, the domain section. You'll see your domain right here. You can see it's verified. Now to delete the domain, all you do is you click on this trash can icon, and then they'll ask you, are you sure you want to delete? So this is just a pop-up. You have to confirm that you want to delete it. So click here on delete domain, and your domain will be deleted. So it has been initiated. I suggest you also go to your hosting and reset the DNS records as well. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.